One of the most bothersome aspects of blogging is comment and pingback spam. Spammers see the comment form on your blog as a way to share advertising material with your blog readers. Once your blog starts gaining popularity, you'll find your comment moderation queue filling up with spam. If you can't get it under control quickly, you'll likely spend more time moderating comments and deleting spam than composing new blog posts. There are several spam prevention tools out there, but only one comes with a self-hosted WordPress blog, Akismet. This is the same spam prevention tool that's built into WordPress.com. It's fully integrated with WordPress, so it works seamlessly with the comment administration panel. All you need to use it is a WordPress.com API key, which you can get with a free WordPress.com account. Let's take a look at how to activate Akismet and configure it with an API key. So right now, I'm in the Manage Plugins Administration panel. Again, it's plugins and it's installed. And the reason it's installed is because it does come with WordPress. So when we installed WordPress, Akismet was automatically installed. And you can see it down here, and there's some information about it. We want to activate it, so I'll click the Activate link. So it tells you that it's activated, but it's almost ready. It's not quite ready yet. You still have to enter your WordPress.com API key for it to work. So I'm going to click this link, and it's going to take me to a screen where I can enter that key. Now, in order to get a WordPress.com API key, you need a WordPress.com account. We already have one, so I'm going to go to that account. When you go to your account, it would be in your profile page on that account. So you'd go into Users and then your profile. And this is on WordPress.com. This is not WordPress, your server install. If you don't have a WordPress.com account, you need to create one. The benefit of all this is you'll have your own account on the WordPress.com community, so you can participate in blogs there. You'll get an API key, which you can use with Akismet and also with other different software. And also, it would add your blog to the bar up in the WordPress.com account, this bar up here. So the API key is right here on my profile. I'm going to select just those characters, and I want you to pay close attention to what it says here. Don't share your API key. It's like a password. That also means don't use mine that I'm using here. Get your own. If you try to use this one, it will not work. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to press Command-C to copy it. On a Windows PC, that would be Control-C. And then I'm going back to the other tab there where it's asking for this code. I'm going to click in the box, Command-V or Control-V to paste it in. And you have one option here, automatically discard spam comments on posts older than a month. And yeah, why not? We'll just have it do that automatically. This way, it kind of keeps your blog's database fit and trim. And I'm going to click Update Options. And it says that the key's been verified. Happy blogging. I just want to note here that there is a chance when you first use this key, it might come up with a warning that just reminds you who the key belongs to, and it double checks to make sure you're using it on the right account. If you're using someone else's key, make sure you don't complete that process. Make sure you only use your own key on your account. So this is all done, and a couple of things I can show you here. First of all, now under the dashboard, we have a new thing here called Akismet Stats. And if we click that, it's going to tell you how much spam, ham, missed spam, and false positive, and I don't know what Yummy Pie is, but it's going to show you what all these things are. Yummy Pie is actually just a pie chart. Now we have no data, so there's no pie chart. But anyway, if you had spam, it would keep track of it here, and it keeps track of the history of your spam. So the other thing I want to show you is that if you scroll down under plugins, you'll see Akismet configuration, and you can click that, and that enables you to change your API key if you need to. Perhaps you want to associate it with a different WordPress.com account, or for whatever reason you got a new key. In most cases, you're not going to need to do that. So in my opinion, Akismet is a must-use plugin for any self-hosted WordPress blog. It does an excellent job of identifying spam and preventing it from appearing on your blog, no matter how your discussion options are set.